The versatile LMS Hughes Horridge Crab 5MT, numbers 42700 to 42944, a 260 mogul. Introduced between 1926 and 1932 and designed by George Hughes. The model by Bachmann arrived with me in November 2021 and it runs very sweetly indeed. There was an initial problem with the stem valves drooping badly, as you can see in this picture. On comparing close-up photos with other models, it transpired that there was a missing retaining arm on my model and no sign that it had ever been fitted. Luckily the rods do not move on the model, so with a smear of superglue the rod was attached to the underside of the peg as seen here. Now the stem valve is level again and the risk of wear is removed. The model is every bit as powerful and sure-footed as the real thing. While we watch her initially on a passenger service, then shunting a freight train, let's have some history for the real thing. A Loco weighed 66 tonnes, had 5'6" driving wheels and a tractive effort of 26,580 pounds. These distinctive Locos with large steeply angled cylinders, leading to their nickname, to accommodate the restricted loading gauge on the English sections of the LMS. They were based on the Caledonian Railway powerful two-cylinder 260 mixed traffic locomotives. By the time they were under construction, Hughes had left, and the 245 locomotives were built under the supervision of Henry Fowler. They were an excellent modern mixed-traffic engine and performed rather well in most circumstances, and gained a strong reputation in some areas, especially in Scotland, where they became the preferred locomotive for heavy unfitted mineral work on difficult routes. Her passenger duties complete, our Loco now heads to the yard to put together a freight train. This Loco 42765 had originally been numbered 13065 and was delivered new in August 1927. She would not be withdrawn until December 1966, giving her an impressive 39 years service life. Once assembled, she has to wait for a passing diesel hauled express before heading onto the reception road and running round her train. Hope you've enjoyed this look at the Hughes crab.